Hi, it's Miłosz. Welcome to the new episode of Yepp AI Essentials. In this video we take a closer look at our brand new feature, the Tone of Voice Lab. Let's get started. The Tone of Voice Lab is our answer to the problem of content not reaching the right audience. From now on, Yepp creates the appropriate buyer persona and learns your communication style. You can find this feature in the sidebar above your assets. After clicking the Create New button, you have the option to choose whether you want to create a persona or a tone of voice. Let's start with the persona. If you know exactly who you want your content to reach, then click Yes and describe it in your own words. However, if you would like AI to do it, just select No. Yepp will ask you to indicate a few details such as your business model, the market in which your company operates, a brief description of your product or services, and then the link to the landing page of your website. Yepp analyzes your answers and after a moment comes with a detailed description of your optimal buyer persona. And what about maintaining your company's tone of voice in the content you generate? Yepp allows you to do it in a very simple way. Simply paste the text up to the maximum of 1000 words from which you want the tone of voice to be extracted. Then you can test how Yepp learned that tone and save it for the later use. But you may be wondering how to use the created persona and the tone of voice. When filling out the forms before creating the content in marketing templates, in content campaigns or in the copywriting feature, just indicate them from the relevant lists. And voila! Create the tailored content and gain new customers. Say Yepp to AI.